Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very interesting recipe that you can enjoy for lunch or for a nice evening dinner. We are making a fusion dish. This is egg pizza sandwich. It's got the goodness of eggs and also the flavors of pizza. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I've taken sandwich bread. First we need to cut the bread slices into triangles. Next, let's make the egg mixture. So for this recipe, I've taken 5 large eggs. Crack open all the eggs into a bowl. So next, we're going to season the eggs. To this, I'm adding half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon chilli flakes, half teaspoon pepper, 1 green chilli finely chopped, and a few chopped fresh coriander leaves. Using a fork, I'm just whisking all the eggs along with the other ingredients. Now keep the egg mixture aside. To a pan, I'm adding a few small cubes of butter. It's very important to maintain the flame on low throughout. So I'm using unsalted butter here. Once the butter is melted, add about 3 large cloves of garlic that's been finely chopped. So I have 1 small onion that's been finely chopped. I'm adding half of it now. So just saute the onion and garlic first. Now pour the egg mixture onto the pan. Maintain the flame on low. So I'm just placing the bread triangles. Just adjust it so it's placed evenly on all sides. Close the pan and cook for about 2 minutes. So the bread should stick to the omelette and it should firm up a bit. Now gently flip the omelette along with the bread slices to the other side. This is going to be a bit tricky, but make sure if you do it carefully, I'm sure you'll be able to flip it. Once you flip the egg, just spread some pizza sauce. This is a pizza and pasta sauce. Just spread it onto the omelette. I'm adding a couple of tablespoons, about 2 to 3. So just spread it out evenly on all sides. So if you guys want to know how to make homemade pizza and pasta sauce, share your comments and let me know. Place the tomato slices on top. Top it with some finely chopped capsicum. You can see how finely I've chopped it. Add some finely chopped onions. So now I'm going to add the Italian seasoning. Top it with some nice chilli flakes. Add generous amount of diced cheese. Finish off by adding a few finely chopped coriander leaves. Look how colorful and gorgeous that looks. So I've added a few vegetables as toppings on this pizza. What other toppings will you add to make it all the more tastier? Let me know in the comment section. Close the pan and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes till the cheese melts. Wow, just look at that. So you can see the cheese is melted beautifully. Turn off the stove at this point. The egg pizza is ready. Gently take it out of the pan. I'm just gently sliding it onto a cutting board. I'm going to fold this because we're going to eat it as a sandwich. But if you don't want to eat it as a sandwich, you can just cut it into slices and enjoy it as is. So I'm cutting this into 3 triangular sandwiches. Wow, just look at that beautiful filling in the middle with the tomatoes and the sauce and of course the cheese. Looks absolutely gorgeous. It's mouth-watering. So you can see the bread is toasted perfectly. So that's why you need to maintain the flame on a low throughout. And there you go, you can see those beautiful triangular egg pizza sandwich. It's time to taste. Look at that beautiful filling. Well, I am going to enjoy it as a sandwich. How would you like it? You would like to enjoy it as a slice or a sandwich? Let me know in the comment section. So juicy inside with the tomatoes and the sauce and of course the eggs. Fantastic flavors. It's quite filling. Yummy. Kids will love this. If you're looking to make something interesting with great flavors and simple ingredients, well, this recipe is something that you must try and you can enjoy it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.